Hello great listeners. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into a word of Warren Buffett. Most people have no idea what is coming. What if I told you that one of the greatest investors of all time has been sounding the alarm, but most people aren't listening? Warren Buffett, the legendary billionaire, has warned about inflation, market crashes, and economic downturns, yet the world keeps ignoring his predictions. In this video, we break down Buffett's insights, his concerns for the future, and what you need to do to prepare. Stay tuned, because most people have no idea what is coming. Warren Buffett, the legendary investor and chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, has long been known for his wisdom in finance, investing, and economic forecasting. Throughout his decades-long career, Buffett has often warned about potential economic downturns, market bubbles, and unsustainable financial habits. Despite his calm and methodical approach to investing, he has not shied away from sounding the alarm when necessary. Many people, however, fail to recognize or heed his warnings until it is too late. In this video, we will explore Buffett's insights into the economy, market cycles, and personal finance. We will also examine what he has been warning about in recent years and why most people have no idea what is coming. The principles of Warren Buffett's investment strategy. 1. Long-term value investing. Buffett follows the principles of value investing, a strategy pioneered by his mentor, Benjamin Graham. The idea is simple: invest in high-quality companies that are undervalued by the market and hold them for the long term. Buffett famously said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." This means that short-term speculation often leads to losses, while disciplined, long-term investing leads to wealth accumulation. 2. Economic moat. One of Buffett's key investment philosophies is seeking companies with a strong competitive advantage, or an economic moat. These businesses have unique qualities, such as brand recognition, patents, or cost advantages, that protect them from competitors. Companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and American Express fit this category and have been core holdings in Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. 3. Avoiding speculation and hype. Buffett has always been wary of speculative bubbles. He avoids businesses and investments driven by hype rather than fundamental value. For example, during the dot-com bubble in the late 1990s, Buffett stayed away from internet stocks because they lacked proven business models. His patience paid off when the bubble burst in 2000. 4. Cash reserves and financial discipline. Buffett believes in maintaining large cash reserves to take advantage of market downturns. Unlike many investors who panic during bear markets, Buffett sees them as opportunities to buy high-quality stocks at discounted prices. Buffett's warnings about the economy. 1. Excessive government debt and inflation. Buffett has often expressed concern about rising government debt and inflation. He has pointed out that excessive money printing and deficit spending can devalue the currency, leading to inflation and economic instability. In recent years, as governments around the world have increased their debt levels, Buffett has warned that inflation could erode the purchasing power of cash savings. 2. Stock market euphoria and bubbles. Buffett has repeatedly warned about irrational exuberance in the stock market. He believes that when people start investing based on speculation rather than intrinsic value, it leads to bubbles that eventually burst. The 2008 financial crisis was a prime example, as excessive risk-taking in the housing market led to a catastrophic collapse. 3. Over-reliance on low interest rates. For years, Buffett has warned that artificially low interest rates could create asset bubbles. Low rates encourage excessive borrowing and speculation, making the market vulnerable to crashes when rates inevitably rise. In recent years, as central banks have raised interest rates, we have started to see economic stress in multiple sectors. 4. Unsustainable consumer debt. Buffett has also raised concerns about consumer debt levels. Many people live paycheck to paycheck, relying on credit cards and loans to sustain their lifestyles. This is a dangerous trend that could lead to widespread financial hardship when economic conditions worsen. What most people don't see coming. 1. A major market correction. While the stock market has seen significant gains in recent years, Buffett believes that corrections are inevitable. History shows that markets move in cycles, and many investors become complacent during bull markets, assuming that prices will keep rising indefinitely. 2. The real cost of inflation. Many people underestimate how inflation impacts their savings and investments. Buffett has warned that inflation is a gigantic corporate tapeworm that slowly erodes wealth. If inflation remains high, people who rely on fixed incomes or cash savings will struggle to maintain their purchasing power. 3. A shift in the global economic landscape. Buffett has hinted at a changing global economy, with China and other emerging markets playing a larger role. He believes that American businesses must adapt to new economic realities, including supply chain disruptions, geopolitical tensions, and technological advancements. 4. Increased market volatility. As the economy faces multiple challenges, Buffett expects increased market volatility. Investors who are not prepared for large price swings may panic and make poor financial decisions. How to prepare for the future according to Buffett. 1. Invest in high-quality companies. Buffett's advice remains consistent. Invest in businesses with strong fundamentals and hold them for the long term. Avoid speculative stocks and businesses with weak balance sheets. 2. Keep a cash reserve. Having cash on hand allows investors to take advantage of market downturns. Buffett often emphasizes the importance of liquidity, as it provides flexibility in uncertain times. 3. Avoid debt and live below your means. Buffett has always advocated for financial discipline. Living below your means and avoiding unnecessary debt can help individuals weather economic downturns. 4. Stay rational and avoid market hysteria. Emotional investing leads to poor decisions. Buffett encourages investors to stay rational and not get swept up in market hype or fear. Warren Buffett's wisdom has stood the test of time. While many people fail to recognize the warning signs he highlights, those who follow his principles can better navigate economic uncertainties. Whether it's inflation, market corrections, or unsustainable debt levels, Buffett's insights provide a roadmap for financial success in both good times and bad. Most people may have no idea what is coming, but by studying Buffett's lessons, you can be better prepared for whatever the future holds. Warren Buffett's wisdom has stood the test of time. Will you act on his advice or ignore the warning signs? If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and let us know in the comments. Do you think Buffett is right about what's coming? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.